Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill, and what I'm holding in my hand is a reciprocating saw. You know, it's really associated mostly with demolition, but I gotta tell you, it's so much more than that. And I'm gonna show you. Let's get started. Now, here's our reciprocating saw here. This is corded, but you know, you can also get them battery operated. Now, come on in close, let me show you some features here. So in the front of the saw we have the shoe here, all right? Next to it, this is the chuck, and this is where we load the blade. Now the beauty of this tool is you can load the blade where the teeth are down in the down position, or you can flip it and you can load it where the teeth go up. It's kind of depending upon the task at hand. We're going to insert the blade with the teeth in the down position. It's just a simple twist of the chuck. Now I got to tell you, your saw may be a little different, okay? And then just insert it and it's locked in place. Now the next feature I want to show you is the trigger. It has what's called a variable speed. So if you depress the trigger just a little bit, you get a very slow moving action. I'm going to just depress the trigger just a little bit, okay? And you see how slow the saw's moving. Well, it really allows you to control some things, and what you're trying to control is if you're cutting metal, you kind of want to start off just a little slower than if you're cutting wood. And of course, if you're cutting wood, then you can really kick it up. And then of course, if you're doing a plunge cut, you're going to want to start off slow as well. Okay, so depending upon what you're going to cut, you want to select the proper blade. Now these first two blades here, they're really for making cuts on metal. This would be for thin metal. This is for thick metal. If you come in close, you can see the difference with the teeth. Now, as you can see, the thin metal has very, very fine teeth, where the heavy cutting metal saw blade is a little more aggressive. Now, the next two blades are a combination blade. It's good for cutting wood and wood with nails. The difference between the two is just length, okay? As you can see, the teeth on these blades are much more aggressive than the teeth on the metal cutting blades. So let's make some cuts, and don't forget to wear eye protection. We're going to cut the stud out, and one of the good things about a reciprocating saw is you can cut just the nails. You don't have to worry about taking a hammer and trying to beat the heck out of the stud to remove the stud itself. You can just cut the nails away and pull the stud out. Now I'll get the top of the stud. Do you see the nails? Clean cut, real quick. And that's why I like the tool. It's a lot faster than you could ever take a stud out by just banging the heck out of it. So next I'm going to cut a piece of copper pipe. And the thing with copper is I'm going to start slow, just to get it going a little bit. I'm going to show you how to do a plunge cut. If you notice, I have a much shorter blade. Okay, so you want to rest the shoe up against the wall. I'm going to pull back on the trigger, and I'm just going to go slow. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.